Started from the bottom with a vision in my mind. 60 volts was cool, but I left that behind. Y'all thought I was playing when I stepped in the game. Now I had a bike's got everybody screaming my name. I'm that force you can't stop, yeah, I'm going hard. While you stuck in first gear, I'm breaking the yard. Every move calculated, every step that I take. Got the competition nervous, watch the confidence break. In the e-bike game, I'm the apex they can't tame. Built an empire, now they all know my name. 72 volts of power, that's my claim to fame. Watch me hunt them down, yeah, I'm bringing the pain. Even on top, can't nobody touch this. Premium bills, yeah, we run this. Watch how I move, calculated precision. Number one spot, that's my position. Evolution of power, 7.2 volts strong. All these other builders been doing it wrong. Premium grade components, no shortcuts taken. Built my reputation, now the earth is shaking. They try to copy my moves, but they don't understand the science behind it, the work of my hands. Every bike I build is a masterpiece. The predator's hungry and I'm feasting on these streets. In the e-bike game, I'm the apex they can't tame. Built an empire, now they all know my name. 72 volts of power, that's my claim to fame. Watch me hunt them down, yeah, I'm bringing the pain. Even on top, can't nobody touch this. Premium builds, yeah, we run this. Watch how I move, calculated precision. Number one spot, that's my position. Wide device, we stay ahead of the curve. Premium power, that's what you deserve. 72 volts, yeah, that's how we ride. The king of this game, yeah, I'm built to survive.